Hello everyone! Today we're gonna be continuing our project with the Petamentor project that we were doing. So last time we did a 2-hour kind of thing about bolting everything down on this. And we came up with... Let's see if I can pick it up. We got this going. Let's see if we can zoom out. Yeah. So we got our motor, our bunch of holes and plastic stuff for the switches and other things. We got our power supply bolted down, or screwed down, our legs, and even the heater module. Now, what we're going to do today is we're going to replace this piece, which is going to be our heat end, our nozzle, and everything else. So, yeah. So, first to begin, I like to show off what I did here, which is we bent the L bracket down, and we put a little, screw there, a 3mm screw here with the washer, and a nut on that end, and also on that end. We did that because there's gonna be this thing that's gonna fit in here at some point, and then where's the heater block? Oh, no, the heater block. Okay, so a heater block is gonna fit right in here like this. It lines up there. And so this thing's gonna sit right in between, it's gonna try and sit right in between there. I'm gonna shove it fully in there when we get this all done, because if I do it now, this module won't fit into where it's supposed to. But for as of right now, I've done this off camera. It took me like two hours, so I didn't want to record that. Just because all you do is bend it over, and then you get some pliers and a bunch of other things. But I want to do the things that we need to do right now. So this is the nozzle we're going to use. Can you see that? There we go. And so this is going to screw in through here into the heat block. It's just going to go right through here. The only problem is that this hole is way too small and you can't get this through. So what we're going to do now is we're going to drill this out. The objectives for today is drill this out, have the heat block mounted correctly against here, and we're also going to install the thermistor onto it. What are we gonna do today? I think that should be enough, to be honest. Oh, and we're gonna modify the nozzle itself. So this is gonna be all about this heat block and this heating element right today. And that's all we're gonna do today. So first things first is we're gonna clamp this down. Zoom out a bit. So we're just gonna take our drill and we're just gonna go right at it. Hopefully. Let me get my vacuum real quick. That's gonna do wonders on the sound. Alright, I'm gonna mute you for a second. Alright. I did that because I don't want any metal shavings on my desk. So now, let's see. Nope. Nope. I gotta go find the next size drill bit. I thought that was gonna be it. Alright, okay. It's just right at that point where it's just there. So yeah, let's try this again. And again, we need the vacuum. Mute it. I gotta remember to unload that afterwards. And let's see if this will... Yep, it goes all the way through now. So we're gonna see if we can... Well, let's get it out of this contraption. And let's see if we can... Oh no. Okay, there we go. No. Oh no. Okay, fit this way. Okay, we're good. Maybe the other way too? Alright, so the problem I'm having right now is... if I leave this gap here, this isn't really gonna... Wait, what? Still? Oh, yeah, it'll fit still. Okay. I'm okay with this. No I'm not, because it just went bang right there. Because this is loose. I don't want it loose. I wanted it to go right up against it. Am I gonna have to redo everything? Probably. Let's get this solved before I... Yeah, because you can kind of see it doesn't line up exactly. Maybe if I drill out more on the bottom side, I can do that. Alright, let's try it again. Aiming more downwards, I guess. Actually, I think this will work. Alright. Nope. Still at an angle. Once more. Maybe? I don't know. You know what? I'm just gonna see if I can get this. There's a tool. I'm just gonna try and just brute force it in at this point. Oh yeah, that works kind of. Okay, nope. Nope, that ain't gonna work. Alright. All the way. And there we go. I think I just pulled it in. And that works. Alright, so let's loosen it up again. See how much damage we did to the threads. Yeah. It's alright, actually. Yeah, that just... fine. That didn't even hurt that. Actually, I think it gave it a groove. Alright, so I'm gonna need a thing to just keep it going on and off. That's fine. That's fine. I'm gonna need my wrench to put it on and off. That's fine. Alright, so now comes the really difficult part, is we're gonna modify this tool head. Or the... not the tool head, the... the filament head. This is gonna be a pain to do on camera because I can't see what I'm doing. So this is gonna, like it says right there, 0.4. Well, we need to change this to a, what you call it, a 1.6. And so that's gonna need the drill again. So what's that? We got our drill bits specifically ordered for that. Now I know that filament is 1.75. Okay, so in this project we want to try and make 3D filament. 3D filament is usually 1.75 millimeters, and I know it's 1.6, but after what you call it? So that's good, that's in. We got that done. That's in. So after expansion, after thermal expansion, because what we're doing is we're going to cut up bottles, and they're going to be thin, flat pieces. And when you curl things up, they tend to want to just go back to the way they were. So you use that to your advantage. So instead of, you know, like, so when it unwraps itself, in theory, the 1.6 should take into consideration the 0.15 millimeter expansion rate. So we're gonna just throw this in here, and that was easy. And the hole is now bigger. Let's see. Let's compare that to standard one. I got like a whole bunch of these, so even if they're not the right millimeter, even if it does come out like garbage. So let's see if we can zoom in. That's 0.4, that's 1.6. Presumably. Yeah. 1.6 to 0.4. And you know what? That's fine. Alright. I think we're done with drilling for today. I think we're done with the drill. I'll clean up later. So we're gonna assemble everything now. We're gonna assemble the head of the thing. So we got our holding bracket, or whatever you want to call it, the L bracket for holding it. Alright, that went away so I don't confuse it with the one with the large hole. And alright. So we've got our oh shoot. Okay, 2 turns in there. Nope. Okay, so we got our other bracket. I was using a heating block for the blank one for just testing things out on. So just in case it didn't work out right, we wouldn't be out a heating block, the one that I want to use. So alright, this isn't gonna work. We're removing this real quick. Let me because I actually want to show you guys something. Now with this heater block style, this won't actually hold in the thermistor right there. We're going to be using these. And if you just put it in there, it's supposed to hold it down when the screw is all the way down, but that doesn't happen because the screw isn't big enough to touch it, and it just falls right out. So if any of you guys buy the same stuff as I do, we're gonna need a washer for this. It's a 3mm. Oh, come on, focus on me, you piece of garbage. So this is a 3mm washer, and we're gonna just put it right on there. Screw it in like once or twice. Just still have it coming up off the block. You don't want to completely put it in. And then we're gonna grab our little temperature, our thermistor. Put it in all the way, and then just screw this down. Now it won't be perfect, but it blocks the bulb from getting out, the glass bead from getting out. So this'll work. Since I did it on the wrong block, we gotta redo this. Before, in like my first one, I showed you how to install the thermocouple on there. And that's fine. So now we're gonna... Oh, come on. We're gonna stop autofocus from happening, because it's honestly annoying. For small stuff. So we're gonna put the washer on there. Ah! Can't see where it went. Oh well. We're just gonna use the same screw as we used before on the other one. And again, 1, 2, and then we're gonna throw this bad boy in there. All right. No! Wait, that wasn't supposed to happen. The washer is on there. I might have to get a bigger washer for this. Oh, did this thing break? It might have broken. That was not expected. I got like 500 of these things. Yep, we're just gonna go grab a new one. Get that one out of the way. Actually, you know what? We're gonna move it back here, and we're just gonna plug this in the this damn thing. There we go. Okay, so let's grab this first. Autofocus. Right? Yep. Autofocus back on. There we go. Yep, there we go. It's not coming out. And so now we got those two on there. Next part is we're going to attach this. And if you guys missed my previous video, to get the heating element in there, all you need to do is to loosen this one screw, shove it in, shove this side in, and then tighten it back down. I might actually put some thermal glue or something on there just so it stays there. Next thing. What was I doing? We're gonna put these two things together. Conveniently, I did it so all the wires are facing the back. Yep, this is our nozzle. So all I want to do is try and get the first one or two screws in there correctly. And then we can tighten it down with the tool. Okay, there we go. Alright, and then for the back end, we're going to put on this little attachment, which will allow us to, it's bigger down here, and it'll allow us to fold the plastic up a bit before it reaches here. And actually, can I? No, I can't really do that. So now, the next thing is we're going to clear this bench off really quickly. And then we're gonna go and bring the full setup up, and we're gonna attach it today, along with the temperature sensor that's not on there right now. All right. We're gonna remove this. We're gonna pull you back. Zoom out. We got our board right here. Alright. Let's move everything out of the way. I am not set up for this, but we're gonna try it anyways. Alright, so we gotta remove the one that's holding it in place right now. That's our placeholder. Ah. Nope. Can't wait till I find one that's decent. Oh. These things are so useful though. These ratcheting screwdrivers. I will always... Well, most of the time I'll take them over a regular screwdriver just because I can keep it going. I don't need to readjust my hand on them. And there we go. That piece is gone. Now we're going to install our new and improved. Oh, I want to take this end off real quick for a second. I'll put it back on when we're done. All right. Don't get too far with that, because then we won't be able to line up the other one. Just want to line it up. Come on, you. There we go. And then these are just going to come off to the side and go underneath. Alright, so I might as well do this now while we're also doing it. This. Oh, hey. We have a little hole back there. We're going to stick everything through. This is for sensing the temperature, so you can get a readout of like what the active temperature is. And then we're gonna have the plus and minus 12 volt line. Figure out how to get that in there. Actually, I might want to pull this almost all the way out. Detach the 12 volt rail. And put it in with the... Put it in before. There. Come on, you. There we go. And then we can just plug this back in. And then I think it's this way. Yeah, it's this way. Because the this is the bottom because you got all the dots on the bottom. There we go. And it just pops on like that. And we can kind of easily get it out if we need to, but it stays in there. Alright. And so this major big piece just goes right in. Should go right in there. There we go. Slides right in there. And then these cords are eventually going to be tied down with like cable ties or something. That's for the next one. That's after we get the exact length of the cords. Well, at least these cords. The heating and the temperature sensor for the first one. And so it's over correctly. These cords are all going to get plugged into back down here somewhere. We're going to do, again, electrical, probably on another day. Yeah, where these guys are all going to go into here. That's going to be for where the thermistor is. What else do we have? I don't know. Oh, the thermistor is going to go here. The relay switch is going to go here, so it's going to be this one in here. We're going to do it all later. But for right now, these are basically all going to go into this module for right now. And these two are 12 volts. They're going to just go into here somewhere. So, until next time, we got what we needed done. We modified the entire hot end to work. In theory, this should be good to go. Yeah, this should be ready to rock and roll next time after we hook it up. So with that, have a wonderful afternoon, evening, night, and I will see you guys next time when we either play some video games or continue on with this wonderful creation that I forget his name came up with, and I'm just building it. If you want to check it out at petamentor.com. I believe I'll have the link in the description below if you're watching on YouTube. So until next time, have a wonderful afternoon, evening, night, guys, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.